The black-necked swan, Cygnus melanchorophus, is a large white swan with a black neck. Head and bill. It is the only swan species that breeds in the neotropics. Appearance. Adults are 40, 49, and 102, 124 centimeters. Long with a wingspan of 53, 70 in 135, 177 centimeters. Males weigh 10, 19 pounds, 4.6, 8.7 kilograms, and females weigh 7.7, 9.7 pounds, 3.5, 4.4 kilograms. Juveniles are grayish and lack the red knob until their third or fourth year. Habitat. Breeds in freshwater, lakes surrounded by emergent vegetation. Also found in brackish lakes, bays, and fjords. Inhabits swamps, freshwater marshes, and shallow lakes. Behavior. Usually gregarious and often in small flocks. Sometimes occurs in aggregations of up to several thousand. Some southernmost populations are migratory. Diet. Herbivores that feed mainly on aquatic plants. Lifespan. Averages 10 years, but able to live up to 30 years.